How does the rebate program work? And why should you join? In short, once you join our rebate program, all your potential future losses, due to unsuccessful bets, get cancelled. This is possible because of rebate earnings, which you can use to bring your account balance back to zero. In other words, our unique rebate program makes STIXEX a no-loss, risk-free platform, and this is how it works. When users join our platform and decide to place bets on the color of the next candlestick in the price chart, a certain percentage from every bet is transferred to rebate earnings pool, which is then distributed to all rebate program members, who can use these rebate earnings to recover 100% of any potential future losses. As you can see, once you become a member of our rebate program network, you can start placing bets worry-free, knowing that all your losses will be covered. So, go to STIXEX.io and learn more about our rebate program, so you can start receiving rebate earnings now. That's it.